Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy a sound ID using your Roblox web browser on your mobile device, not the app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we can't use the Roblox app to do this, so we need to open up a web browser and head on over to roblox.com and now click on go. And now it's going to ask you to continue in app or continue in browser. We need to click on continue in browser because the app, you can't do it in the app. Now from here, make sure to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and put my credentials in and log into Roblox. And now once you've done that, it will say again, continue in app or continue in browser. Click on continue in browser. And now we're in the browser mode of Roblox. Now from here, navigate to where the three horizontal bars are on the top left hand corner. Alright, I've just noticed create isn't on the left hand side. They've moved it for me on the top of the navigation. So click on create and it'll take you to create.roblox.com. From here, scroll down. And then click on the three horizontal bars, top left hand corner of the page. And now we need to click onto the store button. Now from here we've got a few tabs. We've got models, plugins, audio. Click onto audio. And now we've got all these different genres. We've got vibe, sound effects, we've got exciting, chill, horror, alarm. You've got all these different sounds. Or if there's a particular audio you'd like to use, you can use the search feature up the top here where it says search audio. So put in your search term and then hit enter. And now once you've found the sound, I'm just going to use one of these here. We want to click on the drop down next to the time or length of the track. And then we've got here more info or get audio. From here, click onto the more info button. Now in order to get the sound ID number off of this audio, we need to go to the URL. So go ahead and click onto the URL. And if you're an Android user, go ahead and click on the pencil icon. And now move the little cursor here to where the sound ID, so it's roblox.create.roblox.com store, and then the number after that, as you see here, is the sound ID. What you can do is just copy the whole lot. So click and hold, click on select all, and now click copy, and then just paste that into your notes. I'm inside my notes. So here's the sound ID. So that's the full URL and the sound ID is here. So just click and hold that, click on copy, and now you've got the sound ID.